This video tutorial offers a step-by-step guide on how to calculate age using a date of birth in Excel. You'll be able to find out the exact number of years that passed from a date of birth until now. It's easier than you might think. Let's take a look.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Master and welcome to the 50 subscribers party. Woohoo! We secured 50 subscribers today morning if you're watching this on the date of release, that is on 1st August 2021. So that's right, 50 subscriber party, and also as mentioned, first no, not first. It's our fourth. 4 months have passed since I started making this monthly bonus episode videos. So this is our fourth monthly bonus episode video. So yeah, in this video, we are going to be seeing how to solve or how to make actually the year recorder in Excel. This is similar to the age calculator that I did, but not so similar. It uh, is also some kind of a birthday calculator when if you give the date of your birth and the current today's date, so it will show you your age in years and months. So yeah, that's nice to know, but how to create this, you may ask it. So yeah, let's look forward and see the benefits or advantages of age calculator, or supposedly it is year calculator. So yeah, what are the advantages? There will be no more calculating in hand. No need to calculate your year or age in hand. So it will be an automated year and month numbers calculator. And it will also give you an automated how old you are. Years. It will give you in years and months. So you can see here years and months. Yes, so these are the advantages or benefits of the year calculator. So let's move forward. Yeah, so now let's go ahead and see how to create this age or year calculator. So, yeah, let's start off now. I'm just yeah, let's switch on to my slide where I can show you how to create the age or year calculator. So first we need to go into our an Excel spreadsheet. So we need to take an Excel spreadsheet. So yeah, I have taken a blank Excel spreadsheet and take two columns. Take two columns, and okay, we need two columns when we are doing this age calculator, and this age calculator will look similarly like this. So yes, so first we are going to write year of birth in the first column. Year of birth, current date. Yeah, current date. I'm just going to change that. Yeah, it's right. Okay, now number of years and months. Number of years and months. Okay, the other spreadsheet which I'm opening is also completely prepared by me. Just for reference, I have kept it so that it would be easy to, write. Yes. Okay, now we will put border or a tabular column. So just changing the color, theme color into light orange, which sometimes looks like pink. I get confused all the time. Yes, now we can select and use the format painter and change all the change the one extra row into also the same color. Okay, then uh, on the first row we must write year, and second we must write months. So okay, these are the formulas that I have used. Dated if. Okay, dated if. I'll just show you the formulas if you want to see. I'll just show you afterwards if you want to take a pic or something like that. So is equal to date is equal to dated if. Okay, so DATED, dated if, dated if. Okay, just go and change and select the bracket, select the year of birth, comma, H6, or it is the year of the current day, year of current day, or the current date, which is H6 if you're doing right as I'm doing. Uh, and then it is, yeah, I'm just showing it to you for your reference, comma, and double colon or double quotation marks, write Y and close the quotations. Yep. Close the bracket and whoops, there's some problem. Just check it out. See there? This is how it will look. So I'm just copying that formula. But the formula is right. You can try it out. Okay, so is equal to dated if. Everything should be in capital letters. Okay. So and for months it is, yeah, the same formulas with some minor changes. So as you can see, there is no year of birth and current year, so it's showing zero. Excuse me. So it's showing zero as the um, so it's showing zero as the number of years and months. So yeah, I changed the formula for the month. It is in quotation marks. You must write M. That's it. I can take out the grid lines now. You can do it at view. I thought of doing a PowerPoint video for this, so I'm just giving a voiceover over here. I thought of doing a tour of PowerPoint, the continuing the episodes, but I just thought let's do something different for our 50 subscriber party. Yeah, I'll just enter the year of birth to check. See, none, that is wrong. So you must write the current year. So it will be 1 year, which is equal to 12 months. So you can check that. If it is totally 1 year, then now you can see 1 year, which is equal to 13 months. Your date, your age in months is 13, while your age in years is 1. So yeah, this is good. Now I'm adjusting the height uh, of the pixels of the cells, if we want to call them that way. So let's see. So if you're liking this video, do make sure that you are subscribing to our channel and also clicking the bell icon so that you will get notifications of our upcoming episodes, and also you can check our subscribers currently. So then, yeah, and also be sure to like it so it saves us from all the things that we do here. Okay, how old are you? Okay, I'm just selecting those cells, increasing the font, then merging the below row. Yeah, you are, leave that cell, is equal to, writing the formula, I6, which is equal to, I6 means the year of, year in number of years and months. You are so and so years old. So I just typed, made it as 1 year, so it will appear 1 year over here. If you change the days, it can appear 2 years. So, this presentation and also the Excel spreadsheet that I have worked on will be in the description box below. So I have just dropped it there so you can just check it out. So I'm just searching for some online pictures of cakes such as happy birthday written on it. So it would be nice and creative. Yeah, I have got some pictures. I just given the keyword birthdays. So yeah, let's see what we'll get. Okay, I'm unhappy with the images. Birthday cakes. Wow, this sure looks delicious. Awesome. Mouth watering. So I just choose an image. Yeah, this is well over the size of the cell. So we must make it small. Yeah, now it's not much, but yeah, it's still big. So just make it small. Just a minute. I'm just making it small. I'm just deleting that some author, something like that. It comes when you download all the pictures, online pictures, and put it into your presentation spreadsheet or Word in Microsoft. It sure comes. Happy birthday! So that's a pretty neat cake. Okay, so it's like a flat 2D cake. So I just make the cells big so that you can view this. So yes, I'm renaming the spreadsheet year recorder. Yeah, now it's fine. It's good now. It's looking neat and also nice. So yes, that was the thing on how to make the year recorder in Excel. So then some people might ask, how to use this thing? You made this thing, but how to use just like you? Standing on the question mark and asking how to use. Okay, that's why I'm here. I'll tell you how to use this spreadsheet too. Okay, I managed to draw a fairly nice smiley. Okay, let's move forward. How to use this spreadsheet? Yeah, okay, so now I'm going to tell you how to use the spreadsheet. In the year of birth, you must, yeah, here you can see the year of birth is given. So you must select that cell and enter your year of birth. Suppose my birthday is 24th January 2000. All here will give num because there's not another date which is the current year. 24 1 2020, which is, yeah, I have given a date for easy calculation, but it's last year's date, 2020. So yes, now you can see that the year is 20 years, but your life in months is 240. months. So yes, how you are so and so years old, that thing will also change. Yes, that thing will change. That is why we have given the code so that it will change. That is pretty neat, guys, right? Yes, so this is how you can use the age calculator or year calculator that we have done in Excel. So that's it. Okay, now we can see about the formulas that are used. For years, dated if is equal to dated if bracket open G6, comma H6, or select the cell where you have given the year of birth and current year. Okay, and in uh, colon or quotation marks, in double quotation, you must write Y and closed that bracket. So in the next formula for months is equal to dated if, the same formula that you did, comma quotation marks, double quotation, YEM, year months. So and bracket close. Okay, so I'll just forward this presentation so you can go to the Excel spreadsheet. Uh, okay, so yes, that's it. That was there for today. Uh, and also for our 50 subscriber party. So thank you guys. Thank you for making this channel a 50 subscriber channel, and also this was our fourth monthly bonus episode video. It has currently ended, so thank you guys for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, thanks for watching. You can always follow me at lakshadiga09.wixsite.com/codingmaster. On the right hand side of your screen, there's a playlist. It is the playlist of the monthly bonus episode videos, and the left hand side there is a video chosen by YouTube's algorithm, and in the center there's a logo which you can click